Hi, I'm Larry Paxton. I'm at the American Geophysical Union meeting in San Francisco, California, and I work at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory. I'm here along with many of my colleagues to report on our basic research, and that basic research spans everything from the ocean on out to Pluto. And so what we do here is we talk about that with our colleagues and we try to chart the path forward for our future research. And one of the particular areas we're interested in is global climate change and its impact on our nation. The Applied Physics Laboratory is a division of the Johns Hopkins University, and there are over 5,000 people working there doing problems of interest to the nation, and they range from basic to applied research. One of the things that we do have is we have a series of workshops that we're doing. They're carried out under the aegis of this program we call Gaia, Global Assimilation of Information for Action. And what it is it's a sort of a cyber-enabled workshop series. And the notion is that what we'll bring together the basic research community and the decision makers to address the problems that we're going to have to face in the next 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 years, particularly with respect to how the changing environment is going to affect our ability to live the kind of lives we've been living and in peace and security. Basic research, of course, tends to be sort of divorced a lot from what our everyday lives are. And so part of the problem or the challenge is to make that connection. To make that connection, we have to put it in practical terms. Just as an example, one of the things we often hear is that the global climate is going to warm by a couple of degrees. And people say, well, a couple of degrees, well, that means this winters won't be that much, they won't be as cold, and I like that, So what does that mean? Well, part of the problem is that it's hard to change something that's an abstract thing like a number into a practical impact. And so what we're trying to do is make sure people understand that what that probably will mean is there'll be less food for more people. And so that would be one of the impacts. It's easily communicated, but it's a step away from the basic research itself.